What is this? Oh yeah, I forgot. The vessel flute. It's a new vessel flute made from the cacao pods over there. It almost looks like chocolate. It hasn't been fired yet. But it's a double vessel flute. 1.5 pods. Oh my. So bees, sweet bees, we're gonna play you and you guys, you girls and guys, we're gonna play you a little tune from the new vessel flute. Thanks to those cacao pods. Oh, life is so good when you take care. Okay, this may not sound so good because I haven't practiced on this new vessel flute, but let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Not too good, but anyway, the bees are doing good. They know how to work it. They know how to work it. Gotta get in there, give them more room, get some honey. Honey, honey, honey. This is all full. I don't know if you can see that, but all full. It's halfway. They only got a little space there. As you can see, they're enjoying outside. Okay. Okay, and you guys, we gotta open this top and make room for above. There's a second story here with a little window view in there. I'll show you once they get up in there. But yeah, they're in the Queen's Chambers, almost full. You can see it's almost full. Looking good, girls. Looking good with those heavy pollen sacs. Oh, look at those, all that pollen. Oh, you guys, amazing. Just amazing. Navigating around, not bumping in, knowing where to go, how to get home. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, much love, you guys. Have an enjoyable Saturday, February afternoon. Wish I could make you a smoothie from this cacao and show you how pretty magenta, sweet nectar power food this is. With a little bit of honey, and some cinnamon, and some coconut, and some avocado, a little bit of Jamaica cactus or tunia, Jamaica, beautiful, silica rich food. Let's go see the cardamom flowers. Oh, look at this moringa. Oh, see? It's just gonna be cut pretty soon. Look at this beautiful cardamom opening up. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Cacao. Look at these beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Big ulu tree and this nice palm, lolu palm, native. Yeah, great little food forest here. This kikuyu nut tree is a great fertilizer tree. Cacao trees do really well underneath it and around it. Yep. Got a little bit of avocado, coffee, noni. Gotta make some vinegar out of this noni. Just learned how to do that. Avocado, dwarf coconut, rulinia. It's still young. Oh, what's that? Flowers? No. Soon, hopefully. Okay, you guys. Much love.